Gold and silver beautifully traded bullish, and we have seen gold breaching 2660 here. Though we can find out a little resistance here at 2658-60 zone, but expecting it to break this. Let's see if it does show a move about 2660, while silver has breached the critical resistance at 3150 and has moved now towards 3170 levels. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session? Let's see. And yes, this is the second update for the day. This is the only channel to give you two updates, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, such that you can profit throughout the day. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now, see what's happening with gold. Previously, I have mentioned that it is forming lower lows, and once it breaches past 2650, we are looking forward to a good rise. It has come towards now 2660. I am expecting it to retrace towards the top of the channel. Possibility is there that 2680 levels can be there soon, but first let it break beyond 2660, then 2664, 65. If these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 76 and 80 levels here. Possibility is there that it can get achieved soon. If not today, then tomorrow. Yes, these levels might be there, but again, these are markets and you have to strictly trail your stop losses. See, the moving average is crossing over here. It's a good sign for the bulls. Also notice the movement rise, retracement, and now it has taken a shape here. Once it stays about 2660 and 64, 65, stay bullish here. Very clear. Stochastic is overbought. This calls for it to retrace, but see, this is on the hourly chart. So on the hourly charts, couple of red candles does not mean a reversal. Now look at the MACD. This is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is flat near to top. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour charts, what has happened today? See, look at this. This is not today's candle, but last week. After that, we have seen it retracing, and now, after giving a gap up, it has filled the gap and bounced back. Now, if you look at the candles, look at the last 3 candles. Bullishness getting diminished here. That is the only worry point which I am having right now. That the bullishness is getting diminished here. Look at the candles, and the second thing is it is trading outside Bollinger Band. So now it is very, very crucial for gold to trade about 2660, 64, 65. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to a good rise, taking it till towards 70, 71 zone, and then towards 76 and 80 levels as well. Possibility is high here. Moving averages are crossing over here. Good sign for the bulls. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD, after staying flat near to the zero line, it is now crossing over. It is looking upwards, trading with divergence. Again, a good sign for the bulls here. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour. Now see, on the 3-hour charts, what I am looking at is rise and then retracement. It is trading flat in this channel. Now see, the drop was very, very sharp, and now it has to break beyond this. Then only you should treat this as bullish for the near term. Else what can happen to achieving 26 80 85, possibly it can reverse. If it breaches 26 80 85, then you can say certainly the bulls are here to stay. We can look forward to 2700, 2720, and in fact 2750. And remember, as I've shared, if it breaks 2750, it is going to turn bullish for the near term, where the highs could be about 2800. Though I am not looking for such a rise, I am looking forward to a little retracement, and the levels at 26 80 85 are crucial. Then 2700 and 2720 levels. Right now, one thing is clear, that a little rise does not mean a reversal. Though the prices are looking upwards, though gold is looking upwards, but largely it has to break the resistances in order to show or confirm the reversal. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI rising here. Coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, it is pretty much range bound, and on the downside, the support levels till 2620 are very, very strong, and now it has come towards the top of the channel here. Let it stay about 2660, 65, and then 2680, 85. Else what could happen here? See, it has hit the highs of the channel, and now a reversal here can be equally sharp, where it is going to hit the lows here towards 2550. So current levels are very much crucial here for gold. The stochastic rising, MACD is diverging here, and it is trying to trade with more bullishness. RSI is rising as well. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, if you notice here, see, after this sharper decline, gold has hardly shown any move for last 9 to 10 trading sessions, today is included, and today it is trying to show a bit of, but again, it is very, very important for it to trade about 2660, 65 in order to confirm the next move towards 80 85, or in fact 2700 levels. uh, See, even if you look at the formation, these levels are still not confirming any direction, any strong movement here. So it needs to break the zone with force. It needs to break and close above 2660-65 zone in order to confirm further rise for tomorrow and the next few sessions. Right now it is pretty much range bound and it can still reverse and crash here. Yes, similar size of candle may appear soon as long as it stays below 2680-85. Stochastic rising, the MACD is divergent here. And on MACD part, one thing is clear. Look at the formation drop, retracement drop, and it is under retracement. It can hit towards the highs before reversing. RSI looking upwards. And now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now very simple, you can buy here at 2660, 62 zone, expect 66, 71, 72, then 76 and then 80. So I expect that once it trades beyond 2660, 65 levels, I expect it should hit 26, 76, 80 levels here. Possibility is there, but it requires a stronger force which right now is missing, and it needs to break the resistance levels here at 2660, 65 with force in order to keep moving towards 26, 76, 80 very very soon. Beyond this you can expect more bullishness. 85 and then 2700 is possible. On the downside now, I will recommend a selling entry at 2648 levels. 4850 should be a very good support, below which you can expect 2644 and 2640. And today only bearishness is if you see gold trading below 2640 levels, where I can expect it to move towards 2630-32 and then towards 2620-22. Only bearishness in gold is if it trades below 2620-22 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now silver after long time has shown a good move here, and if you notice here how silver has traded, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and again a rise. Now one thing we noticed earlier in the day, that see the rise here, it has come down towards the support zone, and once it breaches this zone here at 3150, we can look forward to a good rise here. The targets here are now towards 32. So now let it stay beyond 31 70 80 zone, and we are certainly looking forward to $32 levels here. Also, if you look at the move here, the moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. This is the channel here. The highs at around 31 85 32 are very very strong here, and these are achievable levels as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is rising here. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See this silver shows a stronger candle, then retraces here, then again a breakout, and after a long while now it is breaking out. So possibility is there that 32, 32.50 and 33 should be there this week. Possibility is high, because see, so far for the last couple of weeks we have seen 31.50 as a acting as a stronger resistance for silver, and now it has breached this critical milestone. So yes, it is certainly a good sign for the bulls here, because once a stronger level gets breached, you can expect that the it prices always tries to move towards the next stronger levels, which is right now at 32 here. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence. Again, a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising. Again, a good sign here as well. On the 3 hour charts, yes, look at these levels. Very, very strong resistance was available here. Now it is breaking out. This is very, very important, because this is coming out of this resistance zone after a while, and it suggests that it can move towards the next milestone towards 32. In fact, 32.50 and 33 should be there as well. Let's see if it continues with the same momentum and force. Look at the retracement, formed the support at 31. Now only bearishness in silver is if it trades below 31 and 30-80 zone. As I have mentioned earlier in the day, as long as this zone is respected, you should not treat silver as bearish. The stochastic rising, MACD crossed over here, looking upwards. RSI is rising as well. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same: rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and it is looking upwards here. Possibility of a move towards 32 exists. Yes, the indicators are now starting to look upwards, which is again a good sign here. Coming to the day. Now here on the daily chart, so far the prices were trading below the 2050 period moving average, and now today it is formed the support at these levels, which is a very good sign for the bulls. See, Forming the support, it is trying to reverse, and if you connect the highs and the lows here, you will find that silver is trading in this channel where the highs now for the day at around 32. And if today also tomorrow also it continues, we can expect 32, 40, 50 and $33 levels very, very, very soon. So today's candle closer or today's day closing is very important for silver. Where it closes, that is what you should notice. Any move beyond 31 or any closer above 3160 and 3180 zone is a very good sign for the continuation of the momentum tomorrow as well. But right now, if you connect this, I will say till 32, I will say chances of reversal will be high. But once it stays above 32, you can say more bullishness will be there. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone. MACD, after staying at the bottom, it has crossed over, now trading with divergence. Very good sign here. RSI is looking upwards as well. So looking at this, very simple now, I will recommend you to buy here at 31.70-80 zone. Expect $32 levels. And beyond 32, ideally, I am looking at 32.50 and 33 very, very soon. If not today, then some point of time in this week, it can try to move towards 33 as well. Possibility is high. On the downside, I will say you have to not ignore the flip side of the trades here. Yes, these are market. It shows you a picture on the other side and then takes and reverses the market immediately and assign the reversal to some news or something. So yes, you have to keep a note of this. If you see now silver trading below 3140, you can say we can expect little more bearishness where 3120 and 31 should appear. And most importantly, if silver trades below 3080 levels any point of time, today, tomorrow, or any point of time this week, consider that as a reversal where you can expect 30, 40, 30, 50. And if it trades below this, expect 30. Though I have mentioned it has formed a good support here and now it is breaking out. So after forming the support, if it breaks out, certainly it's a very good sign for further momentum here. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.